show how to use the hot tub and a few safety precautions to keep you and anyone staying here safe. So first of all, the hot tub always has the lid on it, and it has safety clips on each end. Now these must be used the whole time, especially when there's children around, so that they can't get into the water and potentially have problems. So at each end we have some little clips, which I'll show you how to undo. So these need to be undone before the lid will come off. So they are quite tight, which makes it good as just being adults that can open them. We've got two on each end. So we squeeze it and pull it out. I'll just do the other end. We're ready to open. So the lid comes off nice and easily. We just tip it back, and then that goes back on itself like that. Okay, so I'm quickly going to show you the controls on how to adjust the hot tub. So we've got a control panel here, which will have the water temperature. You can adjust the temperature by using the warm and cool button. So it's normally set on around 38. It should be warmed up before you arrive. We have the jets and the blowers here, so these, by pressing them, turn on the bubbles. And then we've got the lights as well, so you can't really see them now, but at night they change colour and look quite nice. And to turn them off again, you just press the button like that. We've got some small adjustments on the ends here, which will turn the power up and down or change the location, so it moves the strength of the blowers from one side to the other. So if you're just using one side, you can turn it right up. A couple of safety precautions we need to go through. Firstly, there's any under 18s always need to be accompanied by an adult when using the hot tub. We ask that you don't use any glasses in here. We've provided some plastic glasses in the kitchen, so if you're having a drink or refreshment, then if the glass is broken, it doesn't go into the hot tub, and you potentially cut and hurt yourself. The steps can be quite slippery, so if these are wet, or if you're coming out with wet feet, then they can be slippery, so make sure you use a lot of caution when you're going in there, or coming out, of course. In the hot tub we have this blue floating device which dispenses the chemicals to keep the water clean. What we suggest is that you use the testing kit, which is located in the plant room in the corner of the kitchen where the fire extinguishers are, to test the water is safe to go in before you use it each time. So it's very simple. You get a strip out, we dip it in the water, it goes to a colour which we can then match on the back of the pot here to make sure that it's fitting in the section which says OK. So just to finish off with the hot tub, just to reiterate, when you're not using the hot tub, the lid needs to be shut and clipped shut, locked all the time. There's to be no under 18s, unsupervised by an adult. Test the water before you go in. No glasses, just use the plastic ones. The step can be a little bit slippery, and we can't use the hot tub when we've been either drinking or aren't in a fit state to use it safely. I'll just finish by showing you how to put the hot tub lid back on again. So it's very simple. Just push these speakers out of the way. Just the opposite to get it off. Just flip it forwards, over the top like that. Pull it into place and then flip down the locks. That'll also help it stop blowing around if it's a bit windy.